Hello students, Yashwant sir welcomes you in his English class today. Today in this period we are going to learn the discourse, one of the minor discourses. Today we are going to learn how to prepare or how to prepare or how to write the profile, how to prepare or how to draft or how to write the profile. Then what is the meaning of a profile? Profile is detailed information about the person with his name, date of birth, parents, address, gender, field, best in the field, achievements, awards and rewards. Achievements lo awards and rewards, right? And this ingredients, contents, points of the profile depends upon the chosen celebrity or a person. Okay students, but generally these points will be included in profile, right students? And this profile is used to write for a job purpose, but in this class, at schooling level you are writing profile to get marks, right? It is also called, if it is about job purpose, it is called curriculum weight, right? Or here is a profile to gain the marks. Okay students, in examination you will be asked to write a profile of a celebrity name. But etla rastaru vallu, if this bit is given to you, you will be given information about the person in the form of a paragraph. Oka paragraph information istaru, right? You will be given information about personality in the form of one or two paragraphs or only one paragraph. మీరు ఏం చేయాలి? You have to read the paragraph, read the sentence. Okay, read the sentence properly. APJ Abdul Kalam was born in Rameshwaram in Tamil Nadu, right? Now, what is the name of celebrity? Right, who was born? Oh, Abdul Kalam was born. Then write the name here. Write name here, APJ Abdul Kalam. When was he born? Read the paragraph. A paragraph lo date of birth untundi. Eppudu puttadu. On which date, which month and which year. Okay, then write date of birth. And you have to make such a column which looks neat and tidy. Okay, APJ Abdul Kalam, write neat and tidy. When was he born? Write date of birth. His parents Ashiamma and Jainul Abdin, his parents. Address, he was born in Rameshwaram in Tamil Nadu, right? Gender, you have to mention here, male or female. What is the gender here? He is a male gender. You have to write the gender, male, right? Field, scientific field. Okay, right, best in the field, he worked for, you see, he has two fields. One is scientific field and another is he is not a politician, but he was a president of India. He was a president of India, right? scientific field. Next, best in the field. He worked on PSLV. Okay, many satellites are the instruments or mechanism he worked in. What is the best achievement? Which achievements you can, if you wrote here PSL is all things he worked there, then here you can add his achievements. Presidency of India. Presidentship of India. Awards and rewards. He was honored with many awards and rewards. Then you can write here Bharat Ratna. He was honored with Bharat Ratna Award, right? And see, in this you are going to write profile. You are going to write here profile. And if you want to content more, then you can do this. Add many points, and to add many points, what to do? You have to read about the personality, great personality. Mari, if you want to know more about the personality, what you have to do? The detail will not be given in the particular question paper. Mari em cheyali? Then you have to choose the people in limelight in the period. Oka 4 years lo those people are in limelight in name and fame. Vaala gurinchi మీరు చెప్తే ఉండాలి. You have to read it. You have to read about those people, right? Maybe sports, maybe politics, maybe scientific field, maybe activists, the famous, and special field. I will give some examples to you. Yes, and if you want to know about the celebrities, I will give a list of some celebrities. At present, there is a PV Sindhu. Read about PV Sindhu, Saina Nehwal, right? APJ Abdul Kalam, right? Great personality, any cricketer, any sportsman, or PT Usha, right? Or Konero Hampi, or woman cricketer Mithali Raj. You have to choose such persons who are in limelight. National level, international level. That will help you in writing profile of the person. Okay, students. I hope you understand this point. Discourse profile writing. ఒక్కసారి చూడండి. In examination, if it is given in the form of a paragraph లో ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఇస్తే మీరు tabular form లో రాయాలి. దిస్ కాల్డ్ tabular form. ప్రొఫైల్ ఇన్ tabular form. అర్థమవుతుందా? In your question paper, if the information is given in the form of paragraph, ఆ క్వశ్చన్లో కూడా ప్రొఫైల్ హెడింగ్ ఇస్తారు, ప్రొఫైల్ ఇస్తారు. Okay, you will be given profile, or just one paragraph will be given about the lifestyle of a person, celebrity. Then you will be asked prepare a profile based on the given information. Then you have to prepare in the tabular form. వాళ్ళు మీకు చెప్పరు tabular form లో రాయమని చెప్పరు, చెప్తే మంచిది లేకపోతే చెప్పరు జనరల్లీ. If they told write in tabular form, if they didn't say write in tabular form. మీకు ఒక పారాగ్రాఫ్ ఇస్తే ఇలాగే రాయాలి, అర్థమవుతుందా? రైట్. And suppose this is given to you in examination question paper and you are asked to write a short profile, ఏం చేయాలి? ఒక పారాగ్రాఫ్ రాయాలి. ఇది ఇస్తే పారాగ్రాఫ్ రాయాలి, పారాగ్రాఫ్ ఇస్తే ఇదే రాయాలి. ఓకే స్టూడెంట్స్, రైట్. వన్స్ అగైన్ డోంట్ గెట్ కన్ఫ్యూజ్డ్. మైనర్ డిస్కస్ ఫర్ 8 marks. 8 marks. మీకు ఇన్ ఎగ్జామ్ ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ గివెన్ ఇన్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ ఇన్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్ ద information about personality in tabular form and you ask write biography of the celebrity based on the information given the tabular form. Em chapter meeku will be given to you and you will be asked write biography of the personality with the help of given information in the tabular form. Mari em cheyali? You have to write in 3 paragraphs. If you are asked to write if you are write biography 3 paragraphs lo undali. This information will be given to you. You have to write in 3 paragraphs. Appudu em cheyali? First paragraph will be ikkada rayandi. First paragraph ee information rayali. Okay. Right. సెకండ్ పారాగ్రాఫ్ ఆర్ ఇది కూడా దీంట్లో వస్తుంది, జెండర్ వస్తాయి. రైట్. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ ఫీల్డ్. ఓకే, అనదర్ పారాగ్రాఫ్. అండ్ థర్డ్, అండ్ వెన్ హీ ఎక్స్పైర్డ్, డైడ్ ఆన్, or date of death, expired date. Okay. Another paragraph. If you are asked write a biography with the help of given information, you have to write in 3 paragraphs. Generally you have to divide it. Okay students, right, very good. I hope you understood how to write a profile. Is it right? In the next period let us continue unit 3rd, the self giant. Okay, reading A once again. Let us continue later in next period. Till that, have a nice day.